Welcome back to Bazzar Repairs! What do I have here? Well, you can probably tell this is the brand new Phanteks Eclipse P500A PC case. Yes, my friends, my roommate is building his own PC and he's allowing me to do the unboxing video. So nice of him. So, stay tuned. Let's get this freaking big old box unboxed and see if this case is worth all the hype. Okay, we are recording. My roommate was nice enough to let me unbox his PC case. He's standing by watching. I feel privileged. Let's see here. So far nice and easy. Jeez. Like a black bag in here. Like it's a body bag. Let's just pull. I actually might need your assistance. Let's see here. Let's see. We might yeah. There we go. Yeah. Hold the box. I'll get rid of it. Whoa. Look at this. Look at that. Packaged with complete care. Got to give the packaging an A+. Hold this too. Just don't want to make sure I don't drop your stuff. Alright. There we go. Look at that. Wow. They wanted to make sure nothing was broken. Let's go ahead now. This will be a project he's doing. I'll document his process along the way. That comes off. I'll take it. Okay. Alright. Whoa. Make sure you guys can see this here. Okay. And there's a glass cover here, so this will get a lot clearer. Looks like I already took the top off on accident, so that just shows you there. Oh, is that actually... It sits this way, right?
That's it.
Perfect.
That's close to it.
Alright, let me just do a 360 so you guys can... This thing is... This is one of those things where it's a lot better in person. Holy crap. I don't think Amazon did this thing any justice. Alright, there's that side. There's a little mesh pad on top. And this thing is known for its airflow. This thing has extremely high airflow. And then you can get the front there. You got a power button. Two other buttons here I don't know about. USB-C, two USBs, and an audio jack button. Looks like you have a tempered glass window. I do not want to... Oh, wow. It just pops right open. Wow. That is awesome. You got your box, which is going to give you everything you need there, all your little accessories. I think these are 40 millimeter fans.
RGBs.
So, yeah, RGB. Freaking really nice looking. Let's get the back cover off. Show you guys. Let's show you what you're missing. Feels like you know, whatever goes in here is some serious stuff. Look at this. You can put hard drives here, your regular SATA, cable management, USB 3.0 wires. The cable management is phenomenal. You can wrap these around 3 here. Extra drive bay support. I mean, this is everything you want in a case. This is one of the best cases you're going to find right now on the market. Wow. LEDs up front. Once again, show you guys the inside one last time. Alright, that's pretty much all we're going to do now. He's going to slowly be building his computer up. I'll definitely do another video once he gets it all working. But for now, that is the Phanteks Eclipse P500A PC case. High airflow and a bunch of other stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.